Foundation. Respected to the President of this program. I also respect to the head staff, judge, chief guest, and other teachers and audience in front of me. My topic name is Salat. Our final prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Muru awladakum bis salah." Command your children to pray salah. Abu Dawud hadith number 295. Salah is a very important part of Islam. As Muslim, we must pray 5 salah every day. Our blood prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam loves salah. And salah is the key to paradise. Salah protects us from hell and is the means of pleasing Allah Almighty and His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once a person did not come to the masjid for further salah. Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu sent a message to him, calling him. The man came and said, "I was ill." Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu replied, "If you are well enough to come to me, then you should whatsoever go for salah. When the time of salah, we should stop playing, talking, or doing our homework and go to pray salah. With a small amount of effort, we can easily offer our salah. May Allah Almighty grant us the ability to pray our 5 days salah and act upon all the teaching of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.